Now let's just have a quick look at the contents of the kitchen bag and see what we carry in there. So that's the current contents of the kitchen bag. Basic stuff, nothing really over the top. Some salt, some pepper, some spray on oil, a couple of sauces, a barbecue rub. We have a few gas bottles in there, and just the basic dinnerware, a lighter, the bags here are to put dirty bits and pieces in when you don't have any water, or you don't, if for some reason we're out and we don't have enough water to clean something. It's just a dirty bag to put in the grubby bits and pieces until we get a chance to clean them. These are just little serviette type things. We do have a couple of veggie peelers there. Really, I don't know if this one's any better than the little cheap one. Obviously, some of the more important things like can opener, corkscrew, bottle opener, so you can get at the booze when you need to and get at the tin food. Something you might not always consider, an egg slice. Useful for doing wraps and things like that if you want to slice up your eggs. A little bit of emergency spare water if you want to wash your hands, something like that. Yeah, the theory being that that's salt in there, but it's been there a little while and it does tend to form lumps because of the moisture. You can just break that down again and you can use it without too much trouble. Screw on top so that hopefully we're not going to get too much come out of the container. We generally keep it upright. A slightly better knife with a sharp edge for cutting things. Although technically we don't need the egg slice, it's handy just to have a spare one. We don't always want to get the one out of the barbecue kit. Paper towels, pretty much a necessity when you're cooking, to clean up spills and wipe down cooking plates, that sort of thing. A couple of small chopping boards, we don't usually need a really big one. And a few condiments, things in there, salt, tomato sauce, tea, coffee, and of course you need a decent lighter. Now we do have matches in the glove box that act as a backup in case this runs out, but that's a good little directional lighter if you want to get in or under a barbecue or something like that. That works pretty well. Now, I don't know if they still sell these things, this is years old, but if you open a bottle and you can't replace the top, that's very handy to just put in, pull the lid, pull the handle down, and it seals the bottle because it squashes the rubber here. You can see the rubber's not what it once was, but it still works. But very handy for stopping the fizz coming out of a bottle or from stopping the contents from spilling. Well, thanks for dropping by to have a look, and we'll catch you next time. See ya.